Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well, watching the videos and completing your work. So children, watch the videos regularly and complete your work. Children, in the previous video, we were doing chapter 6, that is input and output devices, from our computer book, IT Planet, My Bits and Bytes Computer Series 2. So children, once again, I welcome you all to class 2 computers. Today we are going to revise the topic which we had done in the previous video. As you know, in chapter 6, we were doing book exercise, that is question answer. So we will firstly revise question answer which we had done in the previous video, and then we will move further in the book, that is we will move to the next chapter, that is chapter 7. So let us start. So children, this is chapter 6, that is input and output devices. As you know, in this chapter we had studied all about input and output devices. By now you all know what is input and what is output, as well as you also know that the device which is used to input, or the device which is used to give instructions to the computer, that is called input device, and the device which is used to get the result, or which is used to get the information, final result, is called output. So here the input devices about which we have studied in the chapter are, children, as you can see here, keyboard. First input device is keyboard. Here is keyboard. Then second is mouse. As we know, keyboard and mouse are used for giving instructions. Keyboard gives instructions in the form of word and number. Mouse is used as a pointing device. It is also used for pointing, selecting, showing any object displayed on the monitor. Then third input device is joystick. Fourth input device is scanner. Joystick is an input device which is used to give instruction while playing games. Here is scanner. Scanner is another input device, children, which is used to give instructions to the computer in the form of image. Then next one is, this is microphone. As you know children, microphone is used to give instructions in the form of voice. Microphone से हम अपनी आवाज़ को रिकॉर्ड करके कंप्यूटर को वॉइस के फॉर्म में इंस्ट्रक्शंस दे सकते हैं. Then we have webcam. Webcam is another input device which is used to give instructions in the form of photograph, and here we capture photographs and store it in a computer. So this is a device which is used to give instructions in the form of photograph. So these are the input devices. Then we have also studied about some commonly used output devices. As we know children, output device का मतलब होता है a device which is used to give instruction. As you know, जब भी हम कंप्यूटर पे कोई भी काम करते हैं तो हमें उसका फाइनल रिजल्ट चाहिए होता है, और उस फाइनल रिजल्ट के लिए ही हम कंप्यूटर पे काम करते हैं. सो दिस फाइनल रिजल्ट इज obtained आफ्टर गिविंग द इनपुट, और इनपुट देने के लिए हम इनपुट डिवाइस का यूज़ करते हैं, और उस इनपुट को यूज़ करके वी गेट द फाइनल रिजल्ट, एंड दिस फाइनल रिजल्ट कैन बी obtained बाय यूजिंग मॉनिटर, प्रिंटर और स्पीकर. As you know, monitor is a part of computer which is used to give input in the by displaying the result. ये जो भी ये output देता है, sorry, input नहीं output. A monitor is used to give output, and this gives output by displaying the result on the screen. ये आपका monitor है, यहाँ पे वो result को display करके हमें output देता है. And as you know, monitor is one of the important part of the computer, and this part of the computer is used to display something, या to show something. That is why it is also known as VDU, और VDU का full form होता है Visual Display Unit. Then children, next is printer. This is another output device. ये भी हमें result देता है, लेकिन जो monitor होता है वो हमारे screen पे result देता है. Monitor gives the result on the screen and it gives the result by showing the result, result को दिखा करके, डिस्प्ले करके. लेकिन प्रिंटर उसी इंफॉर्मेशन को जो कि हमारे मॉनिटर पे होता है एक पेपर पे प्रिंट करके हमें रिजल्ट देता है. Then next one is speaker. Speaker, here are two speakers, children. These are another important part of the computer which is used to give result in the form of sound. अगर हमें फिल्म्स देखना है तो उसकी आवाज़ सुन करके हम इससे रिजल्ट हमें मिलता है. गाना सुनना है तो गाना को सुन करके हम स्पीकर को यूज़ करते हैं और उससे गाना सुन सकते हैं. तो यहाँ पे हमको जो भी आउटपुट मिल रहा है इट इज़ इन द फॉर्म ऑफ साउंड. तो यहाँ पे स्पीकर का हम यूज़ करते हैं. तो दीज आर द कॉमनली यूज्ड आउटपुट डिवाइसेस. सो चिल्ड्रन, हमने रिवाइज कर लिया. लेट अस डिस्कस द क्वेश्चन आंसर विच वी हैड डन इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो. सो इन द प्रीवियस वीडियो चिल्ड्रन we had done question number E, that is answer the following question. Why I have revised output and input devices? Because first question is about output and input device. So name any two. First question में you have to tell any one input and output devices. तो यहाँ पे आपको किसी भी एक इनपुट या आउटपुट डिवाइसेस के बारे में बताना था. हमने तो बहुत सारे इनपुट डिवाइसेस के बारे में पढ़े हैं. हमने कीबोर्ड के बारे में पढ़ा है, माउस के बारे में पढ़ा है, जॉयस्टिक के बारे में पढ़ा है, हमने स्कैनर के बारे में पढ़ा है, वेबकैम के बारे में पढ़ा है. तो इनमें से आप कोई भी लिख सकते हो. तो एनी वन you can write and complete this answer. So this is all about input device and you have to write one output device also. Just now we discussed there are three output devices which we commonly used, which are monitor, speaker और monitor है, speaker है या फिर आपका प्रिंटर है. इनमें से आप कोई भी लिख सकते हो. तो यहाँ पे मैं एक आपको लिख के देती हूँ. यू कैन राइट कीबोर्ड, KEYBOARD कीबोर्ड एंड आउटपुट डिवाइस. एंड आउटपुट डिवाइस में यू कैन राइट मॉनिटर, MONITOR मॉनिटर. सो दिस इज आंसर नंबर 1. आप यहाँ पे माउस भी लिख सकते हो इनपुट डिवाइस में और प्रिंटर आउटपुट डिवाइस में लिख सकते हो. आप यहाँ पे जॉयस्टिक भी लिख सकते हो इनपुट डिवाइस में और स्पीकर आप आउटपुट डिवाइस में लिख सकते हो. तो दिस इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. नाउ कमिंग टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 चिल्ड्रन वी हैव what is the use of keyboard. Children, keyboard is used to type words, numbers or sentences. If you want to type words, sentences or number, you use keyboard. So you will write the keyboard is used to type words, sentences or number. So this is your second answer. Then children, third answer, what is the use of a printer? Why do we use printer, children? All these answers we have done in our previous video. So the use of a printer is to print the information on paper. If you want to print any information displayed on the paper, displayed on the monitor, on the paper, if you want to get it printed on the paper, you use printer. So the use of printer is to print the information on paper. So this is all for question number E. Then last question we had done, application based question. As we know children, in every question, every chapter we have application based question, and application based question is to test our knowledge which we have gained from the chapter. After reading the chapter children, whatever skills we learn, using those skills we solve this question. तो यहाँ पे जो भी हमने पढ़ा है क्वेश्चन से उसी से रिलेटेड यहाँ पे एक स्किल बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है जिसको हम पढ़ेंगे और यहाँ पे सॉल्व करेंगे. सो F, क्वेश्चन नंबर F इज एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. यहाँ पे चिल्ड्रन एज यू नो क्वेश्चन इज एट होम you saw your brother playing a computer game with the help of a joystick. Identify and write whether it is an input or output device. So children, as we know, a joystick, about which we have studied in the chapter also. We have studied about various types of input devices. Among these input devices, one of the input device is joystick, and this joystick is used by the user while playing. This joystick is used by the user while playing game on the computer. When you play a game on the computer, you need to give some instructions, and these instructions are given with the help of joystick. So joystick is an input device which is used to give instructions while playing game. तो यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन क्या है, आइडेंटिफाई एंड राइट वेदर इट इज़ एन इनपुट और आउटपुट डिवाइस. तो आपको यहाँ पे ये पहचानना है कि ये एक इनपुट डिवाइस है या आउटपुट डिवाइस है. सो जस्ट नाउ चिल्ड्रन आई टोल्ड यू अबाउट गिविंग इंस्ट्रक्शंस. विच device gives instructions? Input device gives instructions. So input device is a part of computer, is one of the external device which is used with the computer while playing game. So it is used for giving instructions, that is why it is input device. So here you will write joystick, you will write JOYSTICK is an input device. Joystick is an input device, DEVICE, and this is an input device. So answer में आप लिखोगे joystick is an input device. So with this children, we have revised what we had done in the previous video. Let us move to our next chapter. So children, before moving to our next chapter, let us discuss few things. So children, till now we have studied about different types of computer. We have studied about the places where computers are used. We have studied about different 4 main parts of the computer also. And in the previous video, we have also studied about इनपुट एंड आउटपुट डिवाइसेस. तो हमें बहुत सारी चीज़ें कंप्यूटर के बारे में पता चल गई है. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, वी हैव ऑल्सो अंडरस्टूड हाउ टू स्विच ऑन एंड स्विच ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट डिफरेंट प्रोग्राम्स which we can use for doing some of our work in this chapter. So children, as you know children, स्टार्ट करना, उसके डिफरेंट पार्ट्स के बारे में जानना, एक्सटर्नली कैसा दिखता है, कौन सा पार्ट किस टाइप का होता है, किस लिए यूज़ करते हैं, ये सारी चीज़ें हमको पता चल गई. नाउ इन दिस चैप्टर चिल्ड्रन, वी आर गोइंग टू रीड अबाउट सम अदर थिंग्स विच वी शुड नो if you want to do any work on the computer. So let us begin with this chapter. So here is chapter 7. As you see here children, this is chapter 7, and here you can see name of the chapter is notepad and calculator. So children, अभी तक तो हमने external parts के बारे में पढ़ा था. वो parts क्या क्या करते हैं, उनके काम के हिसाब से they are divided like input device and output device. Now we have learned how to switch on a computer. अब हमने कंप्यूटर भी ऑन कर लिया. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डू सम वर्क ऑन द कंप्यूटर, एंड फॉर डूइंग सम वर्क वी नीड सम सॉफ्टवेयर और प्रोग्राम्स. सो हियर वी आर गोइंग टू रीड अबाउट सम ऑफ द प्रोग्राम्स विच वी कैन यूज एट आर इनिशियल स्टेज, मतलब शुरुआती स्टेज में. अभी हमें बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं आता, तो हम कुछ सिंपल प्रोग्राम्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे यूजिंग विच वी कैन डू डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ वर्क. सो ये जो प्रोग्राम है, इनके थ्रू हम कुछ छोटे छोटे काम कर सकते हैं और हम शुरुआत कर सकते हैं. तो यहाँ पे इन दिस चैप्टर फर्स्टली वी विल रीड अबाउट नोटपैड. सो चिल्ड्रन, व्हाट इज दिस नोटपैड? नोटपैड we will come to know about it. What is this notepad and what is calculator? Before that, let us see what all we are going to read in this chapter. So children, as the name indicates, notepad and calculator, there are 2 programs. One is notepad and the other one is calculator. As we know, program means a software which helps us doing a specific task. वो प्रोग्राम जिसके थ्रू हम एक स्पेसिफिक काम करते हैं, तो उसका मतलब होता है प्रोग्राम. तो आज हम 2 प्रोग्राम्स के बारे में इस चैप्टर में पढ़ेंगे. फर्स्ट इज नोटपैड एंड द सेकेंड वन इज कैलकुलेटर. सो चिल्ड्रन, अंडर दिस टॉपिक वी विल बी कवरिंग नोटपैड, starting notepad, that means how to start notepad, entering text, saving the document. As you know children, using a program we can type something into a computer. Using some other program we can do some calculation. So notepad is a text editor. टेक्स्ट एडिटर का मतलब होता है लिखना और फिर उसको रिव्यू करना या फिर उसको टाइम टू टाइम चेंज करना और फिर से यूज. So children, in this chapter we are going to read about Notepad. Firstly we will learn how to start Notepad, then we will learn how to enter text into the Notepad using the Notepad, and how to save the document. Now another topic is calculator. So children, calculator is another program using which we can do calculations. As the name indicates, a calculator is a program which is used to do calculation. So under calculator children, we will be learning how to start calculator and how to use calculator. So children, these are the topics which we are going to cover in this chapter. So children, this is all for today. We will meet once again in our next video, and we will cover the following topics about which we have discussed just now. So please go through the chapter so that when we discuss the same in the next video, it will be easier for you to understand. So children, once again, thank you and have a nice day ahead.